Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hey there YouTube enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how some creators are raking in $5,000 every month with their YouTube channels? The secret lies in faceless channels powered by AI, but don't worry. If you're new to this, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps of starting your own faceless channel using AI technology. But how? This is where Hagen comes in. Hagen is an AI-powered video generation platform that allows users to create professional business videos easily with talking avatars, text-to-video, and face swap features. It offers more than 100 AI avatars and 300 voices in 40 languages, making it possible for users to create realistic videos with perfect lip-syncing in just minutes. Step 1. Selecting an explainer video template. If you're aiming to create engaging content for your viewers, explainer videos are a fantastic choice. Start by choosing an explainer video template from the library provided. This will be the foundation of your content. Step 2. Choosing the perfect AI avatar. Select an AI avatar that suits your video's purpose. With a diverse collection of over 80 avatars, you can find one that fits the ethnicity, age, costume, and pose you have in mind. Choose from 100+ AI avatars and select an engaging and clear voice to make a tutorial presentation for your customers or employees. Personalize your avatar to make you the video presenter by uploading your photos. Step 3. Crafting your script. Now it's time to let your ideas flow. Write your script, choose your desired voice, pitch, and speed. Hagen's powerful AI will then seamlessly transform your text into lifelike speech. The first few seconds of how-to videos are essential. Explain and emphasize your product or service through text that is easy to understand and uses different fonts and colors of text to make it eye-catching. Step 4. Adding personal touches. Make your video truly unique by adding elements from the free library or uploading your own visuals. Customize your slides, edit content, and add transition animations to keep your audience engaged. Step 5. Getting your explainer video. Make your tutorial videos short and precise. Simplify your language and use elements from the free element library to make your explainer videos more lively and engaging. With all the creative work done, hit that submit button and patiently wait a few minutes. Voila! Your professional-grade explainer video is ready to take the YouTube world by storm. And there you have it, folks. A step-by-step guide to kickstarting your own faceless channel using Hagen's AI technology. So go ahead, give it a try and let your creativity shine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content.